Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on that notification bell and hit the like button. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I wanted to share with you how I apply my clear base over my nail tips. So I've already done my nail tip video and my blending video, so if you haven't already checked those out then definitely go and do that. I'll try and link them on the screen up here somewhere. If not, they will be in my beginners nail tech playlist, which I will hopefully remember to link down below. If I don't remember, then check it out on my channel. It will somewhere be there. Hopefully you guys can find it. So here we go. And first off, I've made sure that everything is nice and clean. I've dusted everything off and I have come in with my Safe Scrub, which is an antibacterial nail prep with built-in antibacterial properties and also dehydrates and primes that nail plate as well. So I've already applied that and I'm going to come in with my Pro Bond. This is an acid nail primer and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to the nail. So before I just come in with the brush, I do go ahead and just dab it onto a paper towel. I'm just going to do that on screen so I can show you what I mean. Normally I would just do this straight onto the paper towel, but because my paper towel's off to the side, I'm just going to do it onto my lint-free wipe. So you don't want to just come in and apply this all over the nail and too much of it, because it's, you know, you don't want to be overexposing yourself to it. You don't want to get it on your skin. You should just come in and just remove the excess product because you only need a little bit of that primer. So I'm then going to come in and just apply that to the nail plate. You don't need to apply this to the tips, you're just directly going onto the natural nail. Be careful of applying it. You don't want to get it on your skin and you don't want to kind of flood and have it all down here. If you do that and you continue to do that, you can risk running the risk of getting an allergy or overexposing yourself to the product. And you'll see some people that have like blisters and the skin's all dry and cracking, and it's just because over the years of having their nails done or doing their own nails, they've overexposed themselves to the products and it becomes a major issue. So you do have to be careful when applying products like this. As you can see, there's barely anything on there, but there's enough for me to apply it to the nail and to cover my nail completely as well. So I've gone ahead and I've applied my primer. Now I'm ready to apply my product. Before you go any further, I do want to just stress to put the lids on any chemicals that you are not using or any liquids and put them away. So many times I've heard of nail techs spilling primers or glue on their knees and burning themselves, and it is a serious issue. So just be mindful of that and make sure you do put things away. So the brush that I'm using is the number 12 Nailmate Rainbow Aqua brush. I have just done a brush prep video, so definitely check that out. I'll link it down below or on the screen. And I've got my fresh monomer in my dappen dish as well. So all products as usual are available on my website and I will link them down below if you are interested. So definitely check them out and you can use my code NINJA5 for 5% off. Okay, so let's get straight into this video now. So I'm just going to be picking up clear and I'm just going to go ahead and do my clear base to start with. So I just have a medium bead of clear and I'm just going to place it on the nail and allow it to kind of level for a second. And then I'm going to come in with my brush and I'm going to pat from side to side and then walk that bead down the nail. Just another thing to note as well, if you do have the heating on, you will notice that your product is going to set quicker. My heating is on, so my product is setting slightly quicker. I also just want to let you know as well that these kind of lighter marks that you can see are perfect pink acrylic that I've just not removed from my nail bed. So I'm just going to apply some of that to the tip as well. and blend it up the nail. And then I'm going to follow the same process and just do that for all of the nails. So this set that I'm going to be doing is going to be just a translucent set with lots of glitters encapsulated in them. So I'll be doing that in a separate video, so be sure to check that out. This one is just focusing on the clear base application and sharing that with you guys. So I've just popped that bead on there, and then I'm going to come in with my cuticle bead. And you can do this in 1 bead, 2 beads, or 3, whatever you are comfortable with. Do that. Don't try and like look at a nail tech and like, oh my god, she's just done it in 1 bead, and feel the need that you need to do that as well, because you don't. You can do it in as many beads as you like. So just do whatever you are comfortable with. Sometimes I do 2 beads, sometimes I do 1 bead, and sometimes I do 3 beads or 4. It just really depends on how I'm feeling and how I'm working that particular day. So definitely just do what you feel comfortable with. So I'm just going to place my bead down right where the tip starts. Just keep it nice and neat. And if, like I said, my heating's on, so I do need to work a little faster than usual. Just blending that product down the nail. And I hope you guys have been enjoying my beginners series. I've really enjoyed and loved filming it and sharing it with you guys. And I'm hoping as well that you can hear me on my mic. I have it plugged in, but I feel like for some reason that I'm having to look the other way and you're not going to be able to hear me. But let me know how the sound is and how everything, like how you are hearing it on your end, just because that would be kind of interesting. I do always try and watch my videos back and, you know, see how the sound is and stuff, but sometimes, I don't know, I like to hear it from you guys. So I've just come in with that one. I'm excited to get my nails back on. It's been, oh, well, it hasn't been that long, but I feel like it's been forever. Okay guys, so that is my clear base complete, and I'm ready to start designing my set. So the reason why I do a clear base is just when I want to change my design, or I want an infill and I, you know, want to have something a little bit different. It just gives me that opportunity and chance to file right back down to this clear layer, and then I'm kind of starting afresh. So it makes the process a whole lot easier. It also just means that you're going to get a better adhesion to the nail, because sometimes you just never know, like if you're applying a big chunky glitter, you don't know if a piece of that glitter is what is going to be stuck to the nail and not the product. So by coming in with that clear base, you're just ensuring that that adhesion and the contact with the nail is 100%. So that is the reason why we like to do a clear base. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. If you've learned something, let me know in the comments down below, because I love hearing your guys' feedback. And as always, remember, you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.